Hi friends, it's Julia and I am playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. This is the best of 30 days of sketches, and this is the original sketch was from series 2 day 24 and series 5 day 8. She used this sketch twice, and the sketch is actually one from Paper Issues. Lovely sketch. You will have seen, I will have put a close-up of that, and you can go over to Christy's Facebook group where you can see all the sketches there. She'll post them there as they come up. Anyway, today is day 6, and here is the layout that I created. Now, the original sketch had a star shape behind the photos as part of the background element. I didn't do that. And the photos were tiny down here in the corner. So I made mine a little bit bigger and then went from there. I used my collective kit from several years ago, and I do have a playlist over on my YouTube channel of that kit and all the layouts that I have created with it. I've tried to tag into that playlist. And so as I've gone along, it was a huge kit, and I just keep playing with it and playing with it and playing with it. And I'll continue to use it for this series as long as it holds out. And I think it'll hold out through the entire series and probably half of another one. That's how much I have left. Anyway, yeah, if you like seeing sketches used, or if you like seeing people use older product to create layouts from their stash, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, because that's what I do on a daily basis when I am creating. I am creating from my stash. Like I said, all of these bits and pieces were new at one time and went into my stash as new. But by the time I got to use them, or have pulled them to use them, they're not new anymore. They're new to me, but they're not new on the market anymore. Anywho, so I love that I was able to take a 2-photo sketch from Paper Issues that were 2 tiny little photos here, use bigger photos, and instead of having a star background, use some flower background and different things to give this a whole different feel than necessarily what the sketch is. And I love going over to the Facebook group and seeing what everybody is creating, or putting in that hashtag over on YouTube that is hashtag BO30DSCBL, and so you're able to find all this beautiful inspiration that people are creating to go along. We're having such a good time with these sketches, and if you haven't played before, you should now, because it's amazing. It's so fun. It gets your creative juices really flowing. Anyway, I will have close-ups of this layout at the end of the video, and I will see you guys on the next layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.